This short guide will walk you through how to use Webflow Ecommerce. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, Webflow's e-commerce platform offers a seamless way to create and manage your online store. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to navigate and utilize its features to set up your e-commerce site effectively. First, let's head over to webflow.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Webflow offers a free tier to get you started, which is perfect for exploring its capabilities without any initial commitment. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate and click on All Sites. This option will display all the websites you've created or are currently managing within Webflow. It's a convenient way to keep everything organized and accessible from one central location. Next, browse through your list of sites and select the one you want to work on by clicking it. This action will take you directly into the Webflow Designer for that specific site, where you can start making changes and enhancements. In the designer interface, look towards the top left corner and find the CMS option. Click on it. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where you can manage all the dynamic content for your website. This includes blog posts, project portfolios, and of course, your product listings for e-commerce. If you're new to CMS, think of it as the back end of your website where all the data is stored and organized. Now that you're in the CMS section, the next step is to click on e-commerce. This is where the magic happens. The e-commerce section in Webflow allows you to manage your products, orders, categories, and more. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you haven't used an e-commerce platform before, you'll find it straightforward to navigate. Inside the e-commerce section, you can start adding your products. Make sure to include all relevant details such as product names, descriptions, prices, and images. These elements are crucial as they provide potential customers with the information they need to make purchasing decisions. Also, consider organizing your products into categories if you have a wide range of items. This makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the initial setup of your Webflow e-commerce site. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just about having an attractive design, but also ensuring that the user experience is smooth and intuitive. Take the time to explore the various features Webflow offers to enhance your site further. From customizing the checkout process to setting up promotional codes, there's a lot you can do to optimize your store. In conclusion, Webflow e-commerce provides a powerful yet user-friendly platform to bring your online store to life. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a compelling and functional e-commerce site. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing.